Ba Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwendwuma die so dia wo kan se mu sempa esa kan no pen so jamedin Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudie catch back up the only nomenclature professor's degree in sports the Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and mesim kunya na me kono kwanten kodin small do esa kan no pen so bi e Ghana gudim eja so so am say Richoku anopa bi abubo bi obetimi din so hia ye obetimi din so hwunso atimi aye Richoku no ye oketo aye wadentem na afie obode no honoma was set to make a family size mobobo ache but more than that so bit no shoe dey no with Richoku na start to dey no Richoku in a Ghanaian we bit aboa e maniama etia tutu ye dia game park games and so e the chacha so kwatuna samba boys dia edi na nya sem keto krafa ho gym draw no ba so Adom TV so anopa ewia ene anwumre but more than that so bit me dey ho afra from se be bit aboa e ma osika dwete ho sem so niama etia tutu ye e dia ma we mu ene sponsors na emu etotoro to ni etwetwe mo tech aboa me na no pen so ye den komo no etimi eja quickly a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins from the very first step. In Ghana Football Association (GFA) Executive Council no almost first meeting nra and 18 years after say electium no na the PM council members no they were sworn in and Adom was retaining the state in as the vice president of the Ghana Football Association. In Kumobia, it's me at all feminine in ye.
Our GFA so ye no na what for flash asia ne santi enwa executive committee no kwatena asia omoto to adwene ne de dinwa akotene ya na da pono so no ene de kwasi boni be kan swearing in no omode hyehyɛ so a nipa afofra ya to abade yi omunyina omusu aye agitum so omobo dwuma e de aboa no my Ghana ye bo na tumpon Kurt ES Okraku Mark Ado Randy Abe Kinsili Osebonsu Frederica Champon Nana Safo Odro Gift Yowari Mensa Eugene Nobel Amon Noel enafe Gideon Ofosu ana je pini ekopie dan mu a ebre di kan kra ya je omutum nipa ba kwa wontumi ankopie mu bie coach Kwasi Apia adwuma bia yiti wo Sudan mpata mu nti wakopie mu a okra mpanimfo na musu ayewie ye no na omode abato te hye so se hwan ena ba ye president abedi akiri obekaye a mfie na atwa mu no owura Makado onu na ya abedi akiri de market omasa to abade amano a Makado etwaso se vice president Edema Ghana Football Association.
Swearing in ceremony at Timmy to your first meeting of the Ghana Football Association from paying for a elective of some form of 18th century Congress has no Omujumedia Mudieno. There's James Akwasi Apia on County. The Momato Abadiama Makado so no and Santos was the vice president of the Ghana Football Association. The Kurt Edwin Simon Okrekunua or no and one craft from James Akwasi Apia Meno Kasedi or PM Sudan. But Sudan is sent to Tokwa Huntino, Omo de Omoni 18 Sachim or Saudi Arabia ho and James Akwasi Apia or sign a contract no second bias no fee best me said any media or first Sudanese Air Football Club no senior one send a crown at Jenko between Sasha and the Nemani Amaniama Etiakuye Ediamom. Is not sent to soon Kwan and Tintiokono or ne Ignatius Ofusu and a Etiopium nothing so former air goalkeeper for the Blasters Fatao Dada and on Kupima Omokoji Sejumia Tomaniase Abua Assistant Sudanese senior national football team.
Can you tell me any of the executives of the ESCO who is not working? Can you point to one who is not doing his own work? All of them, the ESCO is not a permanent job that one has to stay there. Each and every one does different jobs. And the most important thing is what impact can you give the FA in order to improve Ghana football? That's the most important thing we should be looking at. But how is it possible for someone who is not working in this country? You can't play double role, stay somewhere else. And
James Akwasi Apia, former Blasters coach and affairs interim committee member at the Emma Kumase Asanuroko, and alternate council to Ampia de Film. Say any obi a executive council no so bi na dwuma nti no so anya dwuma e wo Sudan na so kwagya ugidi pasem from so bi ani ho obekọ so asevu kana na wasa asevu Kumase Asanuroko as the IMC member oboa emanema etianto yi ediamomtwi ene nkra wode agya wachiri na bibia betwema CAF Champions League na Mediama Sporting Club gusu ginam na nanu da draw 18% of femini ya be pm se group D no Mediama Sporting Club women El Ali of Egypt ene dia kensi ne betiam pem so 25th of next month ana sa kese ne betiam sa todwa na no enam so ma yebo hwidi ne 20 che El Ali for omo airboard nim na board member of El Ali Football Club friend say Khalid Motaji ɛna yɛne ne adwetwe nkomo na ɔbɔn elali mu so enkomo.
Our club is the club of the century in Africa. We are the most trophied club in Africa and the second most trophied club in the world. We have 11 Champions League trophies, African Champions League. We are the defending champions for this coming Champions League. By God's blessing, we qualified now for the 16th round for the group stage, and we're looking forward to starting the battle to fight for the defending the trophy.
Wow. Did I hear you say by God's blessing? That means that El Ali believes in God, eh?
Of course, we all believe in God.
El Ali Football Club, one a board member, and at the council didn't come 18 to Jano, one more CAF Champions League, Nimna, Omana Mediama Sporting Club, and the betting time. So Busumi Besimo, that at also Edionumi, Enum, and a science son, Kono Ebitia Basun Tibehe, Sana Kings in the Besiako. But Ghanaian champions, a manner from Ampem Dakwan ladies for so, Yapelm, any Asfar Club of Morocco. Na bibia bitwema ohwema na so more AS Monday from Mali and afen so Hurricanes SC of Equatorial Guinea also ebetwen Sanjina Group B our upcoming CAF 2000 African Women's Champions League and also a better firm NCBA.
Yeah, as I told you, I mean they are tactically good side. They are very intelligent on the ball and they are able to move well into spaces. So I knew it was going to be like this.
In the last two games, your substitutions have proved the master stroke. Baba came and made an impact in the Karela game. Ouattara comes in, flashes of brilliance, get the equalizer. Richmond Opoku, great game. Someone came in. You are reading the game from the bench and you are thinking these players can have a very positive impact.
Exactly. I mean, it tells you that we have quality, we have depth in the team. And if you're on the bench, your responsibility is to read and analyze the game, so that when you go in, you can either equal the performance of the one who is coming out or you can do better than that. So I'm happy for them that anytime they go in there, they are able to get the decisions right.
Would you say you are a relieved man now?
Dr. Prosper Nete Ogum Kotoko head coach and Oteneka say after the game no Odin Nkomo 18 to just double as the IMC interim management committee member at the Air Club no Coach Ibrahim Tanku Anikita Nkranjata Akala Bubuku no na Osi Dr. Prosper Nete Ogum Eric Kembi dia and Yema Onoso in Kembi.
Very painful. I mean, lack of concentration. I think draw could have been a better fair resource based on how the two teams play. But I mean, this is a football. One lack of concentration, I mean, costs you 3 points. It's painful.
Nti nesene abano no yemfri Ghana football mu yemfa ni influence other sports yenko ekutukubo boxing enso akache a na sentembe yi wasutire se Ghana 12 boxes na se hwe yesu asuafo na omoye 12 pepepe omne buo marketing e de omani e kire Senegal fo hye so ye se omokobo qualifies e de akọ Olympic Games 12 boxes ni na ebom femfram ye kofa Freezy Magbones efi UK by ye chene esibrim na nani kra na ho so e wosena kensi ni se course na wei ana a boxing legend Professor Berema Azuma Nelson e de nkomo agya se enye ne nwanwa onim se attention bia ni ho a ya hyade de ma boxing e wukrum ha nti ya ukru die se be ya ni.
You know, if you are not good condition, I mean, and you don't expect the boys to go there without good condition to, I mean, have medals or qualify for the Olympic Games. So I'm not surprised, you know, because I would say that in our time, you know, the government took good care of us, so we did very well. You know, so I'm saying that if you have 3 children and you took care of only one, the one will be fine and the 2 will, you know. So I want to tell the government to have the boxers, you know, have the country of the boxing, so that the boxing can stand on its feet as it was before.
Professor Oberema Azuma Zum Nelson ana otene kan se odi adesre de to Ghana by nim se fisa say ekode woman ani enko boxing esan se hwese ne Mexico so a ebetia kofa Samson a obaja tanum e de aba still ye ko Olympic Games e babu ni pana from on dwumedia odim tino we enkoma ono so e de aba me de usi ya na madawase na ma chia opi nkomo bebre na aka me frotum na so ebrinti me de wo ebesia me de prof ike wala sa good catch back open am tinamu and of course evidence based sports presentation it me jaw richoko medical catch da na me san ko nsu me san di jaw nti bomoden adasa on sabeti aka richoko e ya bona nopa na bona wia na bona nwumre betia san bo am start today in a Ghanaian way richoko betimi din so hia nom obetimi so de nsunyu so atua bo richoko bomoden da ye oketwa ye wadentem anafi obodan no ho a onsati meka bia obenum ache Game Park Games at the Chacha Son Quentin Samba, Mumford, your Muja Jim and Yasam Ketua Cross Moses. Our dear na say Game Park Games with D and Yasam K20. Found Jim, then what Emmanuel in 22 years from now. Yet draw no anopa, a we are any number our Adom TV. So set to make a Game Park Games a bit bois as a sound sick a to Nemo or to Chacha ya, Fajunica Cartoons as a Chacha Diwa. When you bet your prunsu, why you bet me as a show, Tibetia boom, Tiana, or the Adrenica Council, Etian South to Wimo. And the sponsors in Emo to 20 future chom touch the boy man and open so ye dem komo ye de bre can see me eat me by channel so mam sen kuma ka we chine do so healthy base bitia saba na afin so boatman so no so kan anim e kana no shen asene okono moja komo e ba entertainment no enya asem ketwa kra enko ba bia bomoden a ka kire busuafo ne na fofo ogere o ma wo fasefo na nanom ukunu me no pramfo na sa Adom TV so de na no pay ibeti dem komo no etia brew uti edwumedia enama woshi bubu ashi kaneshi agbogboloshi fiada baka kopimbo meka dan suma da kuma kofodua sunsan okedebodua asma kese brima mponten fadi kitikrache kopim sodru wini baka so anya no kwate pukwe so jamai akoso mu enene hye soso ga kopeda bala hohoi ekochi tu adidome edro ni chenko ko obo mi obunkwatia ekona na domahene atan ewodo mahin kro foni kire sunyane kobrekum na kobechem buaketem foni kire enzematon kopimu enzemalan twem kakra se wukuku divu a wode woni kire alebo hye so a Ghana for ho a ehwa Adom TV ne enya asem kuma abusua onso beka ho ne yanke etim fa ho yemwa emaniama etim ko yemfa mai. The act of being a good guest is to not to say goodbye.